Today we are going to talk about the different types of non-conforming loans that are out there. Hey there, this is David Xie with the Xie Mortgage Team, wholesale lender with Nexa Mortgage. We all know about your standard financing, your conventional loans with fixed rates and variable rates, your FHA loans with 3.5% down, lower FICO scores, VA loans for veterans. Thank you for serving our country. USDA loans. However, we have other loans out there that your traditional lending organizations don't offer, and I'd like for you to know about those as well. A lot of people don't know about your no FICO score loans. So if you don't have a score, if you don't have any credit, you just don't really want to have anything like that. We can use things such as alternative credit to qualify for a VA and an FHA loan. There's also the Rehab financing and jumbo loans for VAs as well. Those are different programs that aren't talked about in the traditional sense of mortgages. There's high balance loans. There's also second mortgages that you can get in conjunction with your first mortgage. Private mortgage insurance can sometimes go away, and sometimes the blended rate with private mortgage insurance versus a first and second mortgage could be a lot lower. So you should definitely talk to your mortgage loan officer about that. There's also 40-year term loans, especially with the prices of houses going up nowadays. I was just reading an article today talking about starter homes in higher priced areas. Those are pretty much non-existent now, and I tend to agree with that. With the way that house values have gone up, a 40-year term may be able to help you to afford that mortgage versus a 30-year term, because we'll spread it out a little more, and hopefully the appreciation in value will continue to go up. There's also interest only that's available, where you can only pay interest on it. And that's something that I probably won't recommend quite as much, but that is a program that is out there. We have loans such as loans for people that are just out of bankruptcy or foreclosure. That's really important to know that you can purchase right out of bankruptcy or foreclosure with enough money down. We have loans specifically just for manufactured housing. There's definitely options for manufactured, stick-built, condos, different types of housings. We specialize in investor loans as well. So we've got a lot of different options when it comes to your investor loans. We can use things such as debt service coverage ratio to qualify. And basically what we do is we look at your mortgage payment and we compare it to what you can collect and rent, and we can take that percentage and qualify you for the loan. If the debt service coverage is not there, we also have a no ratio loan. So that's almost like a no document loan. The only thing we're really verifying is the down payment that's needed for an investor to buy it. There's a lot of properties out there that are non-warrantable condos. I would say that, recently I had a conversation with a gentleman, a customer of mine, who's been working with me for a while. However, he's not been able to find a house. And with that being said, he found a condo that he was interested in, and he called me about it, super excited. He's like, hey, with the prices of houses right now, it may be better for us to get into a condo, and then in a couple years, it's only, this much money. And, to me, that was a lot. He said, we could just get out of this condo, rent it, and then go and find the house of our dreams. However, what I was explaining to him is that, condos are very, very moody. They take into consideration how many units are being rented versus owner occupied. They take into consideration the quality of the units. Okay, they take into consideration how many units are owned by one person, how delinquent the fees are, things like that. And at that point, it can make the condo non-warrantable, so not eligible for financing on the conventional FHA or VA market. We can also do loans for foreign national buyers. Foreign nationals are people that are overseas. They make their earnings overseas and they want to buy in America. We can do loans for I-10 buyers, tax ID numbers. That's really important. There's a segment of people that are out there looking for a home that need this. So they don't have a social security number and you have a tax ID number. We can do DACA. It's a specific type of loan for childhood, some immigration, and we can do those loans. We have one-time closed construction loans, and I talked about it in another one of my videos. With the one-time construction loan, those are really good products because you're saving on closing costs if you want to build your house. We can do reverse mortgages. So instead of forward mortgages, especially with interest rates going up and everything, this is a great option for someone that's of retirement age to be able to not have to make that mortgage payment anymore in this increasing value market. We have hard money loans for people that just have different situations that still want to buy, that have the ability to buy with assets. However, they don't have the credit or they don't have the income to purchase. We can help with those as well. Fix and flip loans, another product that we offer. Basically, you fix up the house and you flip it. We offer commercial loans Commercial loans in 48 states, including DC and Puerto Rico. We can do church financing, bank statement loans for self-employed borrowers. Basically, we're taking the bank statements and we're averaging out the deposits and using that as income in lieu of tax returns. We can do bridge loans. So bridge loans are, you're in the process of going from one house to the other. You have a lot of equity in one house. However, you don't want to sell, or you may not have the ability to sell right away. But you want to take that equity from the house that you currently own and apply it into the next mortgage. So that's basically a bridge loan, which will help you bridge the gap from one house to the other. We can help you with land and lot loans, farm and ranch loans if you're interested in buying a lot of land and raising herd of animals. Doctor loans, specifically for doctors, and that's a lower down payment, typically no PMI, great interest rates. And then finally, just no doc, no income verification type documents. The only thing we have to verify on those is your bank statements. If you are looking for conforming financing, non-conforming financing, or you've just been told no by another lender because they don't offer these products, feel free to give me a call. My name is David Xie and I'm with the Xie Mortgage Team. My phone number is 757-478-8493 and I look forward to helping you.